Welcome Honda HR-V 2025, a daring step into the future. Although Honda has not released any information on the impending 2025 HR-V, rumors about the car's makeover have been stoked by a recent leak. If this picture is authentic, it suggests a big change from the HR-V conventionally conserved ADAV design language. The picture that was released shows a more athletic, slimmer stance. Previous versions' rounded front ends appear to have been replaced with a sharper design with angled headlamps and a more noticeable grille. The shape could allude to a sportier driving experience by suggesting a lower roofline cost. Not trends in the HR-V of today can be used to make reasonable estimations. Prices for the 2024 HR-V start at about verified. Although exact pricing information is not accessible, market $23,200 given the anticipated enhancements and redesign with higher trim levels, perhaps hitting $330,000. Engine not verified. The dependable 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that powers the modern HR-V produces 158 horsepower. According to rumors, Honda may remain with its tried-and-true engine, but with modifications for better performance or fuel economy, a hybrid solution seems like a more interesting choice. The HR-V may be the next hybrid vehicle in Honda's constantly growing portfolio. This would maintain practicality while meeting the increased need for automobiles that are fuel-efficient, total payload capacity. Unknown, when the back seats are folded, the current HR-V has an amazing 55.1 cubic feet of cargo capacity.